we're just asking everyone to submit a little draft of their project. Nothing has to be the final revision of it. That's all due tomorrow morning at 11 a.m. But for now, today by 6 p.m., we do require everyone to make a dummy submission. It doesn't have to have your final project name or like project details or anything like your final GitHub repo. Just submit something so we know what's what. And tomorrow, and you can change it anytime until tomorrow at 11 a.m. So to get started, to submit your project, you would have to make an account on DevPost. And once you make that account, you'll just come to this homepage and just navigate to Hackathons tab. And this will be the list of hackathons that are currently going on. And just type in HackUMass, and you will get to this page, the HackUMass page, and create a project. So I just got some captures, buses. Yep. So once you create a project, you'll get to this page first, and this will be to add your team members. So if you're going to add them by email, please make sure that that is their DevPost email that they use to sign up for DevPost. And then you can also send them a link, and that will just send them to the sign up page for DevPost. For now, I'm not going to do any of that. And then you just need to put in a project name, so please do all the required fields. It doesn't have to be finalized, like I said. That is all due at 11 a.m. tomorrow. So just have something by 6 p.m. today. So I'm just going to do ready for now and just do some random stuff. And you can read through most of this. It's just like about your project, like stuff that you went through, and then what languages you used. So I'm just going to go through that. And it's going to ask you for tryout links. We do require a GitHub repo, so please make sure to put in your public GitHub repo. And any images, supporting images or videos that you would like to add can go in here. Please make sure to put your videos on YouTube, and then put that link into DevPost. And then you can select an MLH subcategory, and you can select as many as you want. So anything that your project applies to, you can select. But when it comes to the HackUMass subcategories, you can only choose one. So please be mindful and choose one that applies to your projects the best. And then we ask for your public GitHub repo once again. So please make sure to enter that. And then I'll ask you a bunch of other questions. So please just go through that. And at the very end, it's just going to ask you to submit the project, and please submit the project by 6 p.m. today. You can always change it. You can change any part of it until 11 a.m. tomorrow. Thank you.